us an opportunity to deliver a speech in front of the public. Standing in front of you, I will present my picks under the title, Looking for Sign. You must know that looking for sign is dual Muslim education. Even the human king in the world is guided by Prophet Muhammad in hadith. Talabul ilmi faridatu ala kulli muslimin wal muslimat. The education of knowledge is not incumbent on every Muslim, male and female. Why our Prophet Muhammad obligated us looking for sign? Because sign is very important to our life. With sign we can conquer. With sign, like mountain, sky, moon, sun, animal, and the planets. With sign, we can be the best because of our sign. If we don't have real beliefs, the other the character.